Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Virtu Toys channel. So this is a fairly new release and I want to really share with you guys. This is not the first brand that made this Mercedes in 64 scale. There's another brand that's already done it, but I want to share with you guys this one because the one that I really like is the details and also the fact that the front wheels can actually angle the front wheels. That is something that's pretty cool for a scale model, something different from the rest of them at the moment. I've got this set up in the shop actually, so I thought just immediately I'll show you guys this one. I didn't use any blue text, and hence, you know, I'm just gonna leave it there. These figures are actually wax figures. That's why the details are very different from our usual resin figures that we've seen so far. In the meantime, please do remember to help me to click on the subscribe button, okay, and also hit the bell so that I don't miss on any of my diecast videos, okay. So while you guys are looking at that, this is how it came with, okay, in this type of packaging. All right, so during pre-order, the suppliers, when they gave me, right, it was without the brand name. Only now I find out it's this China brand Yuan Li. So I've not seen this brand before anywhere, but the very first impression is it looks good from the box, okay, and it has quite a bit of weight to it. This casting, I don't think it's the base, I think it's the car when I first got it. And the other thing that kind of a little bit annoyed me was the box design. I didn't quite like it because quite a few of the boxes that I've gotten, right, they're all damaged like that. Okay, that's one of the part where I didn't quite like. Okay, I still think the classic sleeve kind of design, that is already fine. Okay, yeah. All right, so it came in two variants. Okay, it came in two variants. There is the red interior, the one I've been showing you in the packaging, and then there is the one in black interior. From the looks of it, both actually looks exactly the same on the interior, but the red ones, we can see a little bit more detail compared to the black. Okay, all right, so it's a freaking limo. Its back seats are actually facing each other. Okay, that is pretty nice. The headlamps are really realistic, if you ask me. Okay, and okay, hang on, let me just, because I think I'll do it a little bit different this time around. Rather than unboxing, I'll bring you guys around to check out the car straight on. Okay, so at the back, hang on, okay, just like zoom a little bit. There we go. Check out the details at the back. Okay, Mercedes-Benz 600. Okay, with the 600 logo there. Okay, that's crazy details. The two exhausts, double exhaust underneath. Okay, the headlamps, look at that, it looks so damn realistic, with the Mercedes-Benz emblem on the grille as well as on the yeah, on the top, right at the top. Okay, that is really something really crazy. The entire body, when I got it out, it actually feels very solid. It really is a die-cast. Okay, and but one of the challenge right now is actually I do want to remove it out of the base and share with you guys. So let's just get it out there. Okay, let's just get it out there. I can display this. I can arrange this display a little bit later. Man, I just really like how it's being displayed right now. Hence, a little bit of reluctant to move it. Okay, let me just find a sweet spot. Okay, all right, so maybe I should just move this to the back. Yeah, see how, yeah, that's the usual case with the figures. They can't exactly stand that easily. It did took me a while without using blue tack to try to get them to stand, so that's why I was a bit reluctant to move them. But yep, we got them out, and let's go and see. Let's go check out the car. Single rivet die cast, highly detailed. Okay, let's check out the black one first. First impression is, oh, there we go. See, we can adjust the the tires left and right. I do quite like the caps, okay, the wheel caps. It's the original Mercedes logo as well. Okay, let's just get this out of the base. Okay, so it's officially it's called W100 Pullman. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's what happens when try to remove it. I do have some fingerprint on the car already, so I'll just try to wipe it off later. But let's see. Oh, how come is it stuck? Do I need to remove it all the way? Yeah, it's yeah. Hang on, give me a sec. I can't get it out. That's strange. Ah, okay. Got it out just halfway. Hang on. This is a bit strange. Oh, sorry, it's happening off camera. So many things happening off camera. Okay, yeah. Oh shit. I've got so much fingerprint on this thing right now. Well, this thing is massive, man. This thing is massive. I really like the black on this thing. That flat black. See the Vipers in front? It's a separate piece. The detail is nice. This detail here is nice. Okay, very, very nice. What do you call that? I don't know what is it called. Those details are freaking mad, Ray. This is freaking mad. Look at the details at the back. Damn. Okay, I like the white wall wheels. Okay, underneath, there's a bit of details underneath. It's a mix base, right? It's a mix of plastic and metal. Okay, the back part is metal. I guess the mechanism for the turning wheels is in plastic. Okay, hence that's why when you push one side, right, the other one follows the turn. Okay, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool, man. Damn. Okay, and yep, that's the black interior with the side mirrors for you guys who really want your cars to look real with side mirrors. The side mirror is quite on point. It is quite on point. I really like that chrome silver windscreen wiper compared to it's always done in black. This time around, this one is it stands out quite different from the rest. Okay, the Mercedes emblem at the back, the exhaust. Okay, this is really a looker. Okay, this is really a looker. Interior wise, it does look like it's the same. Okay, let's get this one out as well. Okay, I do see the steering wheel has, I see there's a bit of details on the steering wheel. Yep, yes, you can see it. There you go. Okay, there's some details on the steering wheel. I don't see much details on the dash. Just a tad, a little bit here and there, but yeah, not much. Okay, so that's the black. Let's try to get the red out, and because I want to display them here anyway, so let's just get them out of the base. Let's see, do I need to take them up all the way? Yeah, I need to take them out all the way. So the good thing about removing it is, yep, it does look good, but I'm gonna freaking leave so much fingerprint on this thing. I need to wipe it down. Oh, shit. Okay, there we go. Okay, the red is quite decent. Okay, let's just straighten it up. Let's do a little bit of a test. Okay. Ooh, very nice. Very, very nice. It does seem like it's rolling very well. It rolls very well. Let's try that. Ooh, it rolls. Okay, cool. cool. Okay, face palm. Okay, cool. All right, there we go. Yeah, let's angle it while I go off camera. Okay, let's angle it a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so as usual, I will be taking close-up photos of these guys and putting them on my Instagram. In fact, I've already done that. Do check them out on my Instagram. All right, virtutoys.mj. Remember to hit the subscribe button, okay, so that you don't miss on any of my awesome diecast videos. Okay, thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye.